In this video, we'll demonstrate how to activate Auto Blocker on Samsung. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's clarify what Auto Blocker on Samsung entails. Auto Blocker is designed to prevent malicious chargers, computers, and devices from sending commands to your Galaxy device when connected via a USB cable. Additionally, it activates app security checks, blocking apps from unauthorized sources. Now, let's explain how to activate it. Open the Settings app on your Samsung smartphone, navigate to Security and Privacy, and select Auto Blocker under Additional Security Settings. Next, turn on the toggle to enable it. Finally, tap on Agree to accept the terms and conditions from McAfee. That's all there is to it. This video serves as your ultimate guide to enabling Auto Blocker on Samsung. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these specially curated videos just for you.